Tracking your team's daily activities can be a mess. But what if it does not have to be this hard? Call Insight. Turn your mobile calls into actionable business insight. Yup, the easiest way you can simplify your team's communication using SIM-based calling. Call Insight lets you effortlessly monitor your team's inbound and outbound calls all from single user-friendly dashboard. And if a call is missed, no worries. You'll receive real-time updates with full details. With Call Insight, you'll get the whole picture as well. Who's answering, who's missing, and who's slacking. And if something doesn't feel right, don't stress. Call Insight gives you instant access to call recordings with just one click. So no more guesswork. Here's the special thing about Call Insight. Not only does it track the call activities, it gives you location-based market insights as well, tailored to your niche. Imagine looking up at the map of India and you see the demand for hotspots rising up. It's like a real-life treasure map. Oh, and the best part? Call Insight integrates with whatever CRM you're already using. No extra apps, no extra steps. Yes, you heard that right. No need to install any other mobile app. You can even take your call and service quality up a notch with our AI-powered voice analysis. It is that easy. You must be wondering, what's the catch? Well, Call Insight is a VNO license holder in India. That means they've got exclusive access to data directly from telecom operators, securely and reliably. You'll also be using a secure and flexible SaaS platform that works seamlessly with your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Swipe up to get started now.